If you've ever spent hours designing an Amazon ad, guessing at specs and hoping you got the requirements right, or submitted one and felt like it just wasn't good enough, Amazon built something just for you. And in this video, I'll show you their guides to launching your ads with confidence. Hey friend, I'm Roger Coles, Canva Verified Expert, keynote speaker, and corporate trainer. Today, I'm walking you through 3 guides from Amazon Ads that remove the guesswork from creating ads so you know exactly what you're doing before you ever hit submit. Let's get into it. First, head over to the Amazon Ads page on Canva. The link is in the description, and you'll find all 3 guides right here. Let's start with video. If you haven't been running video ads because they felt too expensive, too technical, or just too much without a production team, this guide was built for just that situation. Inside, you'll find video templates already built to Amazon specs, where safe zones are designed right into the layout. Once you've chosen your template, you can head to templates and choose styles to apply your brand fonts and colors. Drop in your product imagery and remove the background by clicking on Background Remover. Preview your video, and if everything looks good, you're ready to publish. Videos that used to take hours now take minutes. That's some A+ work right there. Which brings me to guide number 2, product detail pages and A+ content. Your product page is where customers decide to buy, and these templates make standing out easier than ever. This guide gives you education and templates for every element of a professional product page: main images, lifestyle shots, feature callouts, A+ content modules, and brand story sections. And if you're managing a full catalog, Canva's Bulk Create feature can make things so much easier for you. Add your info to a Canva sheet, choose Actions, then Bulk Create. Select your template, click your text block, and connect the data. Do the same thing for any images. Then click Create Designs. Canva generates consistent on-brand images automatically from one design. You just built out designs solo for a product page that looks like it came from a brand with a full team behind it. And it all happened in minutes. The next guide is where your ads go from meh to marvelous. You don't have to create one ad and cross your fingers. Instead of guessing, you can start testing and see what works. The Sponsored Brands Guide includes display ad templates for every placement. The specs are already built in, so you can focus on the creative. Let's have another go with Canva's Bulk Create, but this time we'll generate some headlines. Drop in 1 or 2 headline ideas. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, just enough to point Canva in the right direction. Select the empty cells, go to Actions, and hit Fill Empty Cells. Canva will run with it and generate a bunch of headline options for you. Let's use Bulk Create again to make a new batch of ads. And just like that, all those headlines turn into actual ads. This is where you start playing around. Try a few different ways of saying the same thing, see what hits, see what doesn't. Once you've found your winner, you can go up to Resize, choose the different placements and dimensions you'd like, click Copy and Resize, and Canva will adapt everything across your chosen sizes in one click. Now when Prime Day hits, you're primed and ready to go. I got to sit down with the global head of creative services at Amazon Ads, because if you want to know how to create ads that work on Amazon, who better to hear it from than the people who work directly on the product? Let's hear what Morgan had to say.
I'm Morgan Evans. I'm the global head of creative services for Amazon Ads. What really drives my passion for helping small businesses grow is making creative accessible to everyone. Guides are essentially pre-built creative experiences inside Canva. I like to think of them as a personal Amazon Ads coach. They combine ready-to-use templates that are already optimized for Amazon Ads formats, specs, along with step-by-step guidance that walks you through what they do and why. So instead of starting with a blank canvas and wondering if your image is the right size or if your copy will meet Amazon Ads requirement, the guide helps take care of that for you. It really shifts the experience from guessing to knowing. For a lot of small business owners, access to creative can be a real constraint. They may have a great product and a lot of passion for what they're building, but without the right tools, it could be harder to show up and tell their story. When they discover the guides and realize they can actually create this themselves, it really unlocks something. They're no longer limited by access to creative. It is really moments like that, when someone realizes they have the tools to tell their story, that makes this work so meaningful.
That shift from guessing to knowing is what these guides deliver. No more crossing your fingers on specs, no more wondering if your creative is good enough. Whether you're a first-time seller, a solo founder, or someone managing a full catalog without a design team, you now have everything you need to launch your ads with confidence. Be sure to check out the description below to access these guides. All right, now it's your turn to go create something amazing. Happy designing. I'll see you next time.